Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you a trick by which you can get some dark icons on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So as you know that you can get dark icons on your iOS 18, but now using this trick you can get some dark icons on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. So for that you will have to install some apps. First of all, you will have to install this Good Lock application. And once this Good Lock application is installed, you will have to install this One Pro Dark Icon Pack from the Play Store app. Using this app, you can get some dark icons on your Galaxy devices. And once downloaded, you will get to see that there are multiple dark icons available in this app. Also, if you want some dark wallpapers, so those are also available with this app. There are multiple dark wallpapers available to choose from. Now you have to head back to your Good Lock application, and from here you will have to search for theme park. This theme park might be installed or might not be installed in your device with the Good Lock application, so you will have to search for that and install it. And once installed, you just have to simply open this theme park application. Now from here you will have to go into the icon option, and after going into icon you have to click on create new. Now from create new you will have to tap on icon pack. Now you have to select One Pro Dark, and once the One Pro Dark is selected you will have to wait for a while, and now you have to click on its download option. You will have to name it as well, and after naming it you will have to save it, and you just have to wait for a while, and now you have to select this and apply it. And that's it. Now the dark icons of the One UI 7 will be applied on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. These are the One UI 7 icons with the dark theme. As you can see, all of these icons are really looking good, and these are giving your device a fresh new look. And the best part is that all of these icons are completely working fine. Also, if you have not updated on the One UI 7 beta version, but you can still get to see an early access to the clock widgets or the clock application, you can update the clock application version. I have posted a video. The link will be mentioned in the description, by which you can get to see an early access to the clock application and these clock application widgets. And that's a wrap for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section that do you like these dark icons or not, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.